Hi there and welcome to my Lazee Profitz review. So this is one of the latest products that's been released from the Warrior Plus marketplace, and today I'm going to give you my personal review of this product. I purchased it myself, so I'd like to show you what it's all about so you can make a better decision on whether or not you need to buy this product. So before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Rupesh and I'm the owner of the website passiveincomeforall.com, and that website along with this channel is to help you find the best ways to making money online, and along the way I've also exposed some of those mediocre opportunities. So if it's your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to be kept up to date on the latest and the best ways to making money online. So let's get along with the Lazee Profitz review. So who are the owners of Lazee Profitz? The owners are two guys by the name of Jason Fulton and Mosh Bari. And what is Lazee Profitz all about? If you had to take a look at the website, that you would get an idea that it has to do with affiliate marketing. So now affiliate marketing is a legit way of making money. It's basically where you earn commissions for promoting any products or service, other people's products or services. But yeah, there's a twist with Lazee Profitz. They claim that you can do it much more easier and quicker, and you don't need to write any articles. You don't need to do any search engine optimization. You don't even need any technical skills or any huge investments. So on their website, they claim what you're going to simply do is you're going to get a one-click done for your website, and it's a simple three-step process that you have to follow, where you have to just log in and then you add your affiliate ID, and soon you'll be able to be earning commissions. So one of the main claims on the website is that within the first 30 seconds you can be earning commissions by selling JVZoo, ClickBank products and Warrior Plus products. I decided to buy this product myself to see if it's true and can you really make money that quickly. This is a proof of purchase that I've made. So now once you're inside the members area, this is what the dashboard looks like. And what you first have to do is you have to choose a site name and a title for your website. And then the second step is, once you've done that, then you will come into this dashboard area, and this is what it looks like. And how exactly does the Lazee Profitz system work? Well, there's three parts to it. The first thing, it's an email marketing and a lead generation system, where you need to actually first purchase an autoresponder service. And they don't quite tell you this upfront, but you must register with either MailChimp, GetResponse, or Aweber. And then once you've done this, then you need to sign up for JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus, because these are the three marketplaces that you're going to be promoting the products from. So you need the affiliate ID from each of these three sites. Registration for each of them are free, by the way. And then lastly, the Lazee Profitz software, the actual software, is going to come done with product review pages. I'll talk more about that shortly. So let me just give you an overall view of how this all comes together. So the main idea is you need to get traffic to these product review pages. Now these product review pages are already preloaded onto the one-click website which you get when you sign up. And once you get traffic to these pages, you can either get people to purchase the products themselves, and that's when you earn the sales, or if they decide not to purchase the product, then there's an opt-in page where the people can register their email address, and you can always retarget them later on. Okay, so this is what the website looks like, and this is what one of the product pages looks like, the product review pages looks like on your website. It's on rank review. Here's that opt-in that I was talking about, and this is the entire review of rank real review. So you need to get this sort of page in front of your audience, and once you get it in front of your audience, they can either read it, and if they are sold by it, they can purchase the product and you'll get the commission. Or that's obviously take into account that you too have your affiliate ID, Or alternatively, that opt-in page that I showed you earlier on, they may opt in, and once they opt in to that page, then you can always retarget them later on. Okay, so now the $1,000,000 question is, how are you going to get traffic to these pages? Now, earlier on I showed you the dashboard, and there was a section called training and video tutorials. Now, there are 4 videos of traffic methods, and all of these videos are focused mainly on using Facebook only. For instance, the first video teaches you how to get in touch with the buyer if you reply to their support tickets. And this means, like, say you go to a site like muncheye.com and you have to contact the product owner, and after having spoken to the product owner, you tell them that if there's any support tickets that you would like to help them out with the support tickets, and if they say yes, then you can always leave your signature link, and this link will be sort of a traffic to your website or your web page. So that's one of the traffic methods which they teach you. And the other 3 traffic methods all have to do along the similar lines using the Facebook platform. What I like about Lazee Profitz is that it has to do with affiliate marketing, so that's the legit way of making money. And please check out the #1 recommendation in the video description below. It will show you how I got started off with affiliate marketing and how you can get started off as well without any experience. The second thing I like about Lazee Profitz is that there are real owners who are standing by their product. There are many times where I've reviewed products and people are either using aliases or fake names or stealing other people's identity, but here you get somebody who's really standing by their products. Okay, so what I do not like about Lazee Profitz is that you are only restricted to promoting JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus products. The second thing is that you cannot build a business based on your own niche. Then the other thing is that you're not allowed to use any other email marketing service except the ones that they mentioned, which is the MailChimp, the GetResponse, and the Aweber. And the reason why I say this is a con is because I am personally registered with using ConvertKit, and I'm not allowed to integrate this, and that's kind of a schlep. And they only teach you one traffic method, which is mainly using the Facebook. And the final thing what I don't like is that it's not UB friendly. So if you are someone who is new to affiliate marketing, email marketing and using autoresponders are something that I think comes later on during your online affiliate marketing career. And like I said, they don't take you exactly through the main steps on how to go about doing things. And that's why I feel that it's not entirely suited for the newbie at mine. Okay, so here are the upsells. The first one, you get the Lazee Profit DFY, do it for yourself, and that you can get it at $77. Then you got the 100x conversion booster, that is also at $77. Then you got the TFY money sites, that's they claim the value is about $5,185, but that if you want to go for that, it's $97. The super traffic machine is $77, and the automated passive income, that's $57, and then you get the licensing rights, which is another $97. So is Lazee Profitz a scam? The truth is the owners are real, and you're still going to get a product for your money at the end of the day. So from that point of view, I do not think that it is a scam. However, I do feel that the marketing is somewhat misleading, and though they say you can get your site set up within 60 seconds, you're not going to be able to make quick profits. I mean, if they're only teaching you on how to use Facebook to get traffic, then the truth is it does make sense to have a good following. And let's just say worst case scenario that you do not have, then it's going to take time to build your online reputation, and therefore it's going to take time for you to get people to trust you and to eventually buy from you. So in other words, what I'm saying is it's going to take time. So that basically covers my review of Lazee Profitz. I hope that it's given you an idea of what the product is all about. But before I leave you, I'd like to answer this question, how you can really earn passive income with affiliate marketing. And the truth is you can do it without having to purchase any products, and you can do it from working anywhere in the world. I'm just reminding you of some of the benefits of affiliate marketing. And you can really do it by building your business based on your own passion or hobby, and you can do it in your own free time, and you do not need any experience whatsoever to get started. And how you can get started is to check out Wealthy Affiliate. Now, these are the guys that I first started off with. I started off 4 years ago, and up to today, I'm still sticking with them. I've learned to build a passive income business, and the main benefits for you is that when you sign up with them, they offer you a free trial before you decide to do the premium or the paid membership. You do not need your credit card. You can check out their platform without any financial commitments. All the tools are under one roof. You'll get all the training, all the tools. As I said, you don't need any recruiting with affiliate marketing or cold calling. It also offers you the flexibility where you can work from anywhere in the world. And with Wealthy Affiliate, there's a 24-hour support service. And they also give you 2 free websites in which you can get started with. So go ahead and click on a link in the video description below, and it will take you to my website, and where I will tell you more about the success of Wealthy Affiliate and how it has helped me and how it has helped others as well. Having said that, I'd like to thank you so very much for joining me and checking out this Lazee Profitz review. I hope that it has helped you out, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so as well. Looking forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions or comments whatsoever, leave them in the comments section below, and I promise to get back to you. All the best, and do take care. Bye.